What's up, credit cousins? Are you finally ready to remove those late payments, student loans, medical bills, charge offs, repossessions, collections, or bankruptcies? Well, if the answer is yes to any of those, do not delay. Click the link above today or DM me the word credit and I will send you a copy of my free credit repair guide. Yes, I said free, so that you can get started on your credit repair journey by yourself at no charge. All you got to do is send me a message and I'll shoot you the guide right over. Like I said, don't delay. Let's get started today, credit cousins. Got to start somewhere. All right, I'll see you guys on the other side.